Hi Year 3, this is a little game called 60 or Bust which I've made up to help you practice finding time differences. So to play this maths game you'll need a stopwatch, pencil and paper and some equipment to complete some little activities on the grid which I'm going to show you. Okay, so here's some suggested activities. You can change these to whatever you want though. So the object of the game is that you estimate how long an activity is going to take you to do, and then you compare that to the actual time it took you and you find the difference. So rolling a 6 on a dice, I'm going to estimate it'll take me 10 seconds. So I have a go and my actual time is 14 seconds until I get that 6. So that has a time difference of 4 seconds from my estimate. Okay, so now look at the next activity. Run from one end of the garden to the other 10 times. I'm going to estimate 50 seconds to do that. So off I go, run, and my actual time taken to do it is 47 seconds. So I was 3 seconds quicker than my guess, and that's what we call the time difference. Okay, so far I've scored 4 seconds and 3 seconds. And the object of the game is to try and get your score as low as possible, so you're as accurate as possible in your estimates. So let's try one last activity. Make a paper aeroplane and launch it. I'll estimate 56 seconds to do that. And when I do it, it takes me a little bit longer, 1 minute 5 seconds. So to find that time difference, I might need to draw myself a quick timeline. So I put 56 seconds at the beginning. And it took me 1 minute 5, so I'm going to find the difference. So I jump up to 1 minute, adding on 4 seconds in my head, and then I add on the remainder, which is 5 seconds. So the total time difference there was 9 seconds. Okay. So far I was out in my estimates by 4, 3 and 9. So I've got an error score of 16 seconds so far. And I've got to keep my score under 60 by the end of the grid. So let's see if I could get to the end of the grid, hopefully without going bust, without going over 60. Okay, so if you're going to play this game, remember that to try to make your estimate as accurate as possible. You could change the activities to whatever you want. You could alter the time limit, so perhaps you're allowed more or less seconds error, especially if you're trying to include longer activities on your grid. And you could play this against a family member to see who can stay under 60 seconds for the longest without going bust. So have fun. Let me know how you get on. Bye for now.